Assalamu alaikum. I'm making this video to show you how to install and configure Huawei V8 device on EVE Simulator. First, you need to have any virtual machine program. I use this one, and then download the EVE Simulator and complete some steps. These steps I will provide in another video. For now, everything is complete. Now I will enter the emulator. Before you start, you need to go to Settings, Processor, and enable this option. If this option is not enabled, our device can't boot up. So this option is so important. Make sure it's enabled. Second, start the emulator. This is a Linux operating system. It will take a while to start. To start, you need to enter username and password. The default username is root. Default password is EVE. So RWOT and the password EVE. Then you need to know the IP address of virtual machine. So write this command: IP region 4 address. This address we need 192.168.115.128. You need to know this address. Now go to your browser and type the same address. Must be like this. This is the EVE Simulator. The default username is admin. The default password also EVE. EVE. Choose HTML. Create a new lab. Type your name. This is the EVE Simulator lab. To add a new node, choose this option. For the first time, all these options is disabled. You can't add any devices. If you want any of them, you need first to download the image and install it inside the emulator. For me, I already installed 3 Huawei devices: switch, and router, and 2 Cisco router. To show you how I will connect Huawei devices with the other brand. Now I will show you the step of installing this image file. First, you need to have the image file, which does. I will provide the link of them. This is the switch, and this is switch and the router. Second, you need an SFTP program like this one, winSCP, and connect to the same IP address of virtual machine at 115.128. The username is root. The password is EVE. Login. This is the file of the virtual machine. Press back. you need to enter this directory, opt unetlab add-ons qenu. Here you need to, like for this one, copy this folder, which inside have the image file to there. From here, this is your PC, this is the virtual machine. Browse your PC to the directory which you have the file. Press it and hold it and target here. It will copy. Then you need to copy this file, YML, which contain important information about the device, as you should see. This one you need to go to another directory. The new directory is opt unetlab html templates. If your PC using Intel processor, copy here. If you using AMD, copy here. For my PC, I using Intel. Copy this file here. And then the last step, you need to copy the icon of the device. You can find it here. opt unetlab html image icons. Just copy it there. And the same step for the other devices. Also for this one, go to the same directory, pt unetlab add-ons. Yes, then create this time we need to create the same directory here, like this, new directory with the same this name, must be the same name. After create it, you need to just copy the image, this one, the image file inside the directory, like that, and this file in the same templates, enter, and the icon in the icon directory, and the same for the other, for the router or router. Copy this in here, and the image, just this file with the same directory name, and this directory, the same directory, this directory for image, and this to copy the YML file, and this for icons. Anyway, after finish, for Cisco device is different. We need just copy those to router, add-ons here, just hold them and drag them here. After that, you need to make sure that you have this file here. If you don't have this file, create one and name it with platform. Enter inside it and write Intel and save it. This is important. Devices will not started if you didn't do this step. For me, I don't need to save. We finish from here. The last step is we need to go to emulator and write this command um, just to make sure. opt unetlab WRIPPERS UNLPROFILE I fix permissions. opt unetlab IPPERS UNL WRIPPER fix permissions. I'm sorry, I write the wrong path. This is the correct path. It will take a while. It's complete. Now you can go to simulator. Go to add object node. After this step, this would be enabled. This, and those. Now somehow routers and switch node. Is router. Switch. And another switch. Also to Cisco router to show you how to connect with Huawei. Another Huawei router. To connect them, just press on this, hold, and plug it in. Choose the interfaces and save. Also this, change interface, and the same. Select them all and press start. It will take a long time, especially for the first try. So I will pause the video for now. When everything starts, I will continue. Welcome back. After the device started, I just discovered that the image file for this switch in this simulator has some bugs, so it can't generate the amp table correctly, so it can't work as switch correctly. For that, I will not using for now, and I will just show you some tips about this switch. This switch is CE12800. It is high-end core switch, which is used for data center. To use it, you need to know some information. When the device starts, all interface for the switch is shut down. As you see, display. All are in down status. To use the interface, you need just enter the interface and write under shutdown. For I will use that and that. Under shutdown. And then for all V8 devices, Huawei devices, after every command, you need to write commit to so that the command work. See, for now, if I display, it's still down because I didn't write the commit. Commit. Now display. Now it's up. Uh, just this tips about this switch. For now, I will configure the OSPF for the Huawei switch and Cisco. First, need configure the IP for interfaces. Also, need to write commit. This one also the same. For Cisco device. Now configure the OSPF. Done. Two cisco are connected. Display SPF. Yeah. As you see, there is three neighbors. One the Huawei router and the two the Cisco. the Huawei address. Let's try to add another network. Connect. Show. 6 ping the network, the loopback network and Huawei router. That is fine.